Alright, today we are going to do an unboxing of the Tomahawk Welder Generator TWG120A. It's a 120 amp welder. And we're just going to show you how to set it up, and then we'll get one running too for you. So as you'll notice, it comes with a set of wheels, and then it'll come with an axle, manual, a couple free accessories like grounding clamp, handlebars, holder, then some couplings and quick connects. So this one uses Dinse connections. It's different than the other quick connects, but you can get them at an Airgas or Praxair. So the first thing we'll do is we're just going to put on the handlebars. Pretty simple.